Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes into this discussion. Khalif, as an attorney, the red flags go up when there's a situation because evidence is key.
Evidence is key. And so let me start in a couple places, because yesterday my phone was blowing up across the board when this happened. It was like light fire on gasoline, and see if we can even go a little bit faster. So I want to say my friend Spencer Merriweather, the DA, I think he did an amazing job attempting to get out in front of this, say, look, we found that there was some irregularities within the process. We want to own those irregularities. We want SBI to come in and investigate this process and figure out what can go wrong. They also laid a little bit of a defense. It was a civilian person. We had a double check process. A senior person came behind them and checked their work, and that's how we found it. So we were doing our job, great. And we've notified the defense bar, and we'll let them know if anybody of their cases was affected in the past and going forward. I think they've done all of the great jobs that you want them to do. Now, let me put on my criminal defense attorney hat if I could. Moving all that aside, if I'm taking any of these cases to trial, the standard is pretty clear that they have to prove, the DA's office has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that your client did something. That's not a little bit of a doubt. That's not some doubt. That's a very high burden. That's the highest burden. It's fully convinced and entirely satisfied that that individual did it. And so as a defense attorney, it's my job to sow doubt. I'm going to sow all kind of doubt with this. This evidence is tainted. This person didn't follow any of the rules. None of this stuff should be entered. And if the judge even allows it to be entered, I'm talking to the jury about it all day. I really don't care about anything else except for this evidence. Even though it may not have anything to do with the case, I'm just attempting to sow just a little bit more doubt. Just a couple sprinkles of doubt here, a couple of sprinkles of doubt there. They have to be perfect. They have to get all 12 to agree. I just need one person to say, yeah, I see a little bit of doubt, not guilty. And so this is major implications for the CMPD, major implications for the district attorney's office, and the defense bar is ready to pounce in this situation, and rightfully so. You depend on that evidence to convict. You also should depend on that evidence being properly conducted.
And speaking of depending on the evidence to convict, it's all about preserving integrity. I mean, that's what the laboratories are designed. And if there's any shred of, could this go back and affect pending or previous cases if there's some loopholes here?
And 100%. I mean, we can look at most recent history, what happened in Colorado. You look at that lab tech there, 900 plus cases, almost $7 million that they've said they've already spent on trying to go back and fix the issues there. And so I think that any case that this lab tech touch will be up to have a review. There will have to be a microscope to see what happened and if anything else went outside the scope. And it happens with human error first. But then second, whenever you get comfortable doing a job, it's repetition. It's repetition. If I can find ways to cut corners, I may. And no manipulation, so I can see that. But if I'm going outside the standard, if there's a standard and you went outside of whatever that standard is, we got a problem.
Do we know the number of cases?
Not yet. But I know there's a lot of defense attorneys waiting to get an email hoping that their client is connected to this case, because it opens the door for a number of angles that may not have been there before yesterday.